binoculars, welcome back to Letter Sound Sightings. Today, Ollie needs our help looking for pictures that have the letter S sound at the beginning. Get out your binoculars and let's see if we can identify the pictures that have the S sound. Clap once when you see a picture that begins with a S. Listening ears on, we're ready to go. Sun, sun. Goat, goat. Spider, spider. Volcano, volcano. Yellow, yellow. Snake, snake. Did you find 3 pictures that have the S sound at the beginning? Sun, spider, snake. Wonderful job! You made that look easy.